I'm Chef Brad Kilgore, and I'm from Kansas City, but I live in Miami. So the restaurant we're at now is Verge. It's located in Concourse Club, right outside of Miami. The way I describe my food is creative, but also recognizable. Sometimes it mimics nature, sometimes it might mimic art, and other times we're just trying to highlight a great ingredient. And that's why I love working with Open Blue. I think I really like my food just to be fun. Fun on the palate, interesting to look at, interesting to talk about, and then of course to be delicious. And how the ingredients come together, how the flavors come together. Sometimes it's a concept that is interesting, and sometimes it's the flavor combinations that are interesting. We just want to keep our diners and our guests excited, really. I think Cobia, and it's starting to make its way onto people's tables and to people's restaurants. Once they try it, once they try these different preparations, I think it has so much flavor, and it's not oily, it's not fishy, which is what a lot of people try to avoid. It's a very clean flavored fish. You know, when it's raw, it's not slimy, it's not mushy, it's got this great dense toothsome to it that I think is really special. That's what I love about the sashimi preparations. Of course, you can make a ceviche out of it if you like. It's because it's got that clean white fish flavor to it. And my favorite way to prepare it is grilled. When you're grilling it, you get that char, smoky, it doesn't fall apart on the grill like a lot of other fish. And then you don't cook it all the way through. This is a fish that's best when it's still a little opaque in the middle.